Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Intero Real Estate Services, and right now I'm sitting in one of the best values on the market in all of San Jose. This is 458 Avenida Arboles in San Jose in Blossom Valley 95123 in the Del Roble neighborhood. Completely remodeled from top to bottom. All the flooring, all the paint, trim, hardware, new kitchen appliances, updated bathrooms. Everything's perfect. It's totally move-in ready and super functional floor plan. This place has 2 bedrooms that are both of really great size and a massive primary bedroom. It has 1 bathroom upstairs and a half bathroom downstairs. It has a wide open kitchen that has new quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and tons of light coming in from the sun. Right where I'm sitting here is a very nice, very well proportioned living room that has brand new LVP flooring that's a luxury vinyl plank flooring, beautiful, and it just matches, everything is tied together really nicely. We also have an upstairs bathroom that's been fully upgraded with a new vanity, granite countertops. There's LVP flooring, plus the tub and tile enclosure has all been refreshed as well. We went ahead and put in really high-end carpeting on the stairs, the hallway, and both bedrooms. We installed recessed lighting in the living room and the primary bedroom to add to the natural light that it already receives. It's a little bit on the older side, but it does have upgrades that make it very modern, including double pane windows and central heat, both of which are kind of on the expensive side to replace. So the fact that they're done is great for a new first-time home buyer and an investor alike. On a place like this, you don't always get in-unit laundry, but you do here, as well as a covered carport and a massive patio that's perfect for just sitting and relaxing, or you can even throw a party in this property. Don't tell the neighbors. Super quiet neighborhood. As I sit here, I'm hearing the birds chirping literally as we speak. It is close to the freeway, which makes it a great commute location, but there's not a lot of road noise, which is kind of a win-win on both sides. We're about 4.5 miles from downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest US campus. Plus, we're close to 85, 87, 101, the light rail, and Caltrain, all of which take you to the peninsula. We're talking about Facebook, Google, Amazon, and all the famous companies that you've heard of in a great commute location from this spot. Plus, you have Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Oak Ridge Mall with all its shopping and dining, and we're only about 2 or 3 blocks away from Marshall Cottle Park, which is a 252-acre county-owned park that's never going to be anything but used for recreation. Oh, and did I mention we're also close to Almaden Lake, the Quicksilver Mines, Mount Umunum, not far from Morgan Hill, where there's plenty of wineries for those weekends when you want to get away. If you have any questions about this property, or really any property that's on the market right now, please feel free to give me a call at the number below or send me a text message. And if you'd like to sell your home, I'd be happy to have a consultation about that as well.